Hi guys, in this video I will share my exclusive Jungle Scout coupon codes with you. These codes give you the highest lifetime discount on any plan and work for both monthly and yearly subscriptions. To get the discount, follow the steps in the video. Otherwise, you won't get the lifetime deal. Click the first link in the description to claim your discount. It'll take you to a special pricing page with bundles starting at $119, $149, $449, and $999. If you want the best value, go with the 3-month suite plan, which is only $149. It gives you 3 months of everything you need to start your Amazon FBA journey, plus extras like how to sell on Amazon guide and a monthly seller guide. Now, for those serious about growing their business, the Premium Suite Plus plan offers a whole year of Jungle Scout for $449, 74% off the regular $1,704 plan. This plan includes everything from the 3-month subscription, but with more user seats for your team. It's great if you're expanding and need extra support. And for the ultimate deal, check out the Master Bundle. Originally $4,999, you can get it for just $999. That's 80% off. This plan includes the Freedom Builder Bootcamp, a complete course to help you succeed on Amazon, plus VIP customer support and AI Assist collection. Now, if you go to the Jungle Scout website and check the pricing plans, you'll see the regular price is $79 when you pay monthly. If you pay yearly, it's $49 per month, totaling $588 a year. I've added a link to the pricing page in the description for easy access. The suite plans I'm offering through my link are labeled as Growth Accelerator on the Jungle Scout website. You can check the benefits they offer if you're still unsure, like 1 year of historical keyword search volume data and tracking for up to 150 products. If you buy the suite plan for 3 months from the website, it'll cost you $237. But with my link, it's just $149, saving you $88. You'll save on other plans too with my offer link. I always update the best discounts and links in the video description, so check there for the latest deals. The process to avail the discount will stay the same, so you can get the best Jungle Scout discount and coupon codes anytime. Before we wrap up, let me quickly show you how to get the best discount and bonuses. Click the first link in the description, choose your plan. I'm going with the 3-month suite plan, but the process is the same for other plans as well. Click on Get Started, create your account, complete the checkout process, and you're all set. That's it. All the latest coupons or discounts are in the video description if you want to access them. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. Let me know if this Jungle Scout coupon code worked for you or not. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. See you in the next video.